Hey, hello, this is Team Alpha of the Data Track. This is our Tech.Dive team video submission. I'm Javier Fernandez.
My name is David Cerna.
My name is Joe Laplante.
Wilmer Ratu.
Right now, KK.
My name is Yantis
Today
Pena.
we are going to talk about our projects. After we got the data set, we import it in like Jupyter Notebook and we start to clean the data. So we noticed that there was some null values in the data asset, so we take out them. And also we changed the name of the variables. There was some negative values in the price. So we changed we take out those negatives too. So we also changed the data type of some attributes. After we did some cleaning on the data set, we went to the exploration part. In the exploration part, we try to visualize the data, how they interact each other. We did matrix correlation, which is the most important part of the visualization, to see the trends, to see the correlation between the features. And then we found out that carrot has more correlation than the others. And we did some histogram distribution to see the distribution along the data. After we did some visualization, we play around some of these charts. We actually we went to the modeling part before we start the modeling part. So there was some stuff that we had to do, which is the feature scaling. In the feature scaling part, we use a standardization to stratify. To standardize the categorical values. And also we did like one hat encoded handling to handle the categorical attributes in order to have all the variables or the features, like to make them all numerical. After that, we went to transform the which is the part of transform pipeline. We did some transformation, which is to make all all our columns or our attributes numerical. And also we did select some train and test set from the model. For our models, we select the train and like test sets, and based on that part, we perform some evaluation using cross validations, which splits the train set into numbers of CVS. And so based on our the prediction we did, the algorithms we performed, we have found out that decision tree is more give us like more accurate, or more like accuracy, the highest accuracy number. And we did like a multiple of regressions. That was all our like a little bit overview of our project.
All right, so this is our dashboard for our diamond price prediction here. At the top, we have our total sales throughout the years 2010 through 2021. And the question, of course, being how many sales will there be in 2022? So at the bottom, this is where we have our visualizations of our machine learning models and their accuracies, starting from the most accurate being decision tree regression with 100%, random forest 99.7, linear regression 91.2, and down. Our key features: cut, color, clarity, caret, and shape. The final sales forecast number we got to for 2022 was 150,625,220.
For how we decided to approach the Diamonds dataset, we believe it was beneficial to do the data cleaning and EDA separately, but to come together to see the differences that we had amongst ourselves, whether that be the techniques that we use, simply the missing data key values, or the machine learning. We not only were able to perform efficiently, but we were also able to learn new skills.
So one to two things we wanted to accomplish in this final submission was we wanted to demonstrate the important findings and the relationships between different variables in the data set, along with the trends in the prediction based off our models of the diamond sales in 2022.
And also, we wanted to have a really good dashboard to help people who don't have, even though you don't have a technical background, but still able to come up with the same conclusion that we did, because we believe that having a good dashboard have the power to change people's minds, and also able to understand the project that we worked on.
Now for how we contributed to the final product.
I was tasked with data cleaning and the presentations.
I was the ops lead. I was responsible for data cleaning exploration and also contribute to the infographic design.
My name is Jerry. I helped with the clean exploration and with the final presentation.
Hi, this is Robel again. So my contribution towards the project is first I cleaned the data, and also I made some like the regression model, and finally I built a web page with Streamlit.
Hi, I'm Rena. I helped with the data cleaning and also helped in predicting price 2020.
Hi, my name is Jensis. I did some data cleaning, data exploration, in the initial parts of the model building, and then the video I edited, the one you're watching right now. So some of the obstacles we met along the way was initially we spent a lot of time using a linear regression model to predict our prices, but we came to find out it wasn't as effective as some of our other models later on, like decision tree or random forest. And then we had some other trouble sharing our notebooks, our Jupyter notebooks between each other so we could all learn from each other as well.
Learning new code because a lot of people have different skills. So therefore, we like to be in a situation where people have to learn new stuff at the very last minute. So we overcame that by reviewing education material, such as YouTube, Bill sites, and to educate ourselves.
If we had more time or starting from the beginning, what would we do differently?
The first thing that we do, we will show that we have one meeting where we have the chance to work on the same file at the same time.
Another thing, if we had more time, we would definitely want to try building a classification model to predict the cut and identify if the new diamond appraiser was making the wrong appraisals for 2022.
If we had more time, I would definitely spend more time learning for Streamlit how to make it very like user-friendly and more robust dashboard that allows users to import their data and to get prediction based on the algorithm behind it.
Okay, so this wraps up our presentation. I want to thank Hack.Diversity for giving us this project. Thank you so much.